Thought and Notions, Unit 3, Lesson 5, 21 Days Without Food. Why would someone decide to stop eating? We know that the body needs food in order to function well. However, many people fast at some time during their lives. Why is that? Some people fast for political reasons. In the early 20th century, women in England and the United States weren't allowed to vote. In protest, many women went on fast. They hoped that fasting would bring attention to this injustice. Mohandas Gandhi, the famous Indian leader, fasted 17 times during his life. For Gandhi, fasting was a powerful political tool. In 1943, he fasted to bring attention to his country's need for independence. For 21 days, he went without food. Another famous faster was Cesar Chavez. In the 1960s, he fasted for 3 weeks. Why? His goal was to bring attention to the terrible working conditions of farm workers in the United States. Fasting is also a spiritual practice in many religions. Every year during the month of Ramadan, which is a religious holiday, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. Many Hindus fast on special occasions, as do some Christian and Buddhists. Of course, not everyone fasts for political or religious reasons. Some people occasionally fast just because it makes them feel better. The American writer Mark Twain thought fasting was the best medicine for common illnesses. Whenever he had a cold or a fever, he stopped eating completely. He said that this always made his cold or fever go away. Another American writer, Upton Sinclair, discovered fasting after years of overeating, indigestion, and headaches. His first fast lasted for 12 days. During this time, his headaches and stomach aches went away. Sinclair said that fasting also made him more alert and energetic. Choosing to go without food can be very dangerous. However, that doesn't stop people from fasting for political, religious, or health reasons.